Chuma goes to steal a body at Solemn's funeral parlor after Nolita gave her an idea of how to smuggle the platinum. Nolita begs Chuma to forgive Velapi, and Matsiriso becomes Kaya's nanny. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. Nolita begged Chuma to forgive Uvelapi, saying, I'm grateful that you defend me, Nomsa, but I think it's time you forgive Uvelapi because Umtana, he needs you. Chuma would say, yes, I know, but after the way it disrespected me, I don't think I'm ready to forgive you. Maybe time I think about it, nje vele ubuye lesithombe sokuthi wangidela kangakanani. And then uvaxa ufonela Chuma ethi unomsebenzi lomunye uneli-order elikhulu. Now he wants to smuggle my boxes of the platinum. Chuma thinks that's a lot of platinum. It's because my customer say ayanzile. And then Chuma and Paraboy are trying to figure out how to do this. And then Nolita gives them an idea. Goes, if you want this thing to work, you need to stop acting like thugs. Dress up, man. Suits, glasses, gloves. Even Jama Undertaker la real la professional. And then if they want to set you at the border gate, they must find umzimba, because if you transport lamalo le platinum in coffins, then they must find a body if they open the coffins. Chuma was so excited, wamkuka Nolita saying, thank you, my love, yes, and you just gave me a good idea. And then Chuma goes to Solemn's funeral parlor to check the cost. Are there any bodies that he can steal or borrow to push umshikashika wakhe we platinum? And then he gets there, Rebecca is there and says, I know, the things that you transport in those hearses are not really legit. I hope the contract bona Velapi is actually legit. And then Solomzi comes. Chuma asks, what's going on this week? Solomzi tells him there's a funeral that's happening on Saturday, so there's a body that's tall. And then Chuma decides, okay, that's the body that we're going to take and use for smuggling the platinum from Eswatini to South Africa. They then break in Solemn's funeral parlor, close up the cameras, no Paraboy, so that they can take out the body and go and smuggle the platinum from Eswatini to South Africa. And then Velapi goes to apologize to Siamtanda, saying that he was wrong for shouting at her. And Siamtanda makes it clear that you must never do that again. And it's not the first time, so you must stop this thing, because every time you come and lash out on me. And Velapi apologized, and he said, yes, you look so cute when you are more police. And then Jafta talks to Velapi, saying, have you thought about what we talked about? Velapi, no, you must stop this thing, because when you look at me, you see yourself. I wasn't there, and all those things. But Jafta shows him there's apparently a boxing match that's going to happen, and the boxing match, Lena, the winner gets 50,000 rands. And then Velapi is taken Mali, talks to her mom about fees, Marcus, how much do you owe? Actually, they want 40k. I think it was initially 25k, but they increased, I think, because of the assault that he did to the dean. And then he decides what he's going to do this tournament. And then he asks Jafta, do you think we're going to win this tournament? Jafta is like, yes, I believe in you. I just think you just need to practice, or you just need to train. What motivated you? I need to pay my tuition fees. And then Unand is struggling with running Shisanyama and taking care of Ukaya. Kaya is busy crying while she's trying to tend to the customers. Now, but then how do you expect the child to just sit on a trolley, on a pram, and while you work? But Siriso comes, girl finds the baby Kaya crying, picks him up, and then to keep quiet. But the song Matilda is using to hush the baby, she's going on about Babia Buya, you're telling beer. Imagine your child being hushed like that. Unand is like, couldn't you use a better song, not your beer? That's Matilda say when I lay this 1 year sevens. And then he tells Pulelani who's able to tell him sevens, month ending your vanilla. Mambi stack semali. Now neniga baby Kai. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.